Hey guys, this is E with Scrapbooking with Me, and I wanted to show you something that I got in the mail. I am in the process, as most of you know, I have already made a little bling holder, and I will show you that. Let me grab it. This is for all of my bling, and I made it. This is not a shoebox. I made this from chipboard, scrap paper, and then scrap file folders, old file folders, and I will link that video below. But I'm in the process of trying to straighten up some of my desk and organize it a little bit. I have let it go and got completely unorganized. But I got this from Arteza. I love the color. I don't know about you, but this is my color right here. I got these the other day, and I meant to get the video up on them, and I just have been so busy with other things I didn't. So I'm going to do the video on it today. I'm just going to show you what I got. Leave a link below and my discount code, and if you're interested, you can go over and grab some of these too. They're not very expensive. They're made out of a really sturdy, as you can see, I can't bend that, really sturdy metal. The bottom has a safety on it where it won't scratch up your desk. It's like a little rubber ring on there. So that would be for my pens. This one, you can put, your little notepads in there. It has the little safety pieces on the side as well, so it won't scratch anything up. And then this one is the one I was really excited about, because this is for your business cards. So I like that. I can carry that one around with me and put my business cards in that. And then I got this one. This one has the little feet on it as well. And then this, I'll put different projects in here, or different little notepads, whatever, in here, and store this on my desk at the back. So I like that. And then this is a little tray, and they wrap everything really, really nice. You can see it has the cushions on the bottom. I can put all of my paperwork and everything in there until someone gets around to filing it. I don't know who that might be. Don't know. It probably would be me. And then this is a little magazine rack, and it has the little feet on the bottom too. So I can put, scrap paper or whatever in here, keep that on my desk, so that I'm probably going to keep my white scraps in here because I use them a lot to stamp on and everything, and I can keep it right on my desk. So I've got that. Then I'm going to show you something else that I got. Now, they sent me this long before Christmas, and I never got around to doing a video on it because I was just so busy with everything else. But these have magnets on the back of them. So if you have a metal desk, or you can put up a metal pole or something on the back of your desk or on the wall, you can hook this up to that with the magnets, and it'll stick to that, so you could actually anchor this to the wall. Then these little pieces, they have the metal on them as well, or the little magnets, so they'll stick right to that. So I've got mine just kind of stuck like that. I'm sorry about the bang. So I have mine just kind of stuck like that. And then all of these have the magnets on the back of them. Sorry about the noise on my desk. I know my desk is glass, and it makes a sound when I put something like this on it. But you can see I've got all of those hooked together. So I really like these with the magnets on it. My husband actually confiscated one of them that I had. It had the little trays and everything in it. But I'll link these below as well if you want to go over and check them out. They're very inexpensive, but they're made really, really well. And I think I have a 10% discount code where you can get 10% off. And if I'm not mistaken, these are already on sale. So the links will be below if you guys are interested in any of these. Arteza has been really good to me. They have sent me different products for me to review. And a lot of the products I've got duplicates of, because some of it I have bought and then they have sent me. So in the surprise boxes that we're going to be selling starting tomorrow, I'm going to start those tomorrow, I'm going to be passing some of the goodies on to you guys. So if you're interested in looking at any of these, I'm going to leave all the links below as well as my discount code. And we will talk to you guys later. Bye-bye.